everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial, which is going to be a Dutch fishtail braid. I'm going to start off with quite a deep side part, and you're going to take a section of hair from the top of your head and split that section into two. Going to take a bit of hair from the strand closest to your head, take it underneath and over to the back section. Take a bit of hair from the strand near the back of your head and take that underneath to the front section. Again, take a bit of hair from the front section, take it underneath and over to the back section. Take a bit of hair to the back section, take it underneath and over to the front section. You're going to do a few stitches of a normal fishtail braid until you start to add hair in. So to start adding hair in, you're going to take some hair from your hairline and take that bit underneath and over to the back. Take a section of hair from the back section, take it underneath and over to the front. Take a section of hair from the front section, take it underneath and over to the back. Section of hair from the back section, underneath and over to the front. Add in a piece of hair and take that underneath and over to the front. Angle the braid in the direction you want your braid to go, and you're just going to repeat the same steps over and over again. Take a section of hair from the front section and take that underneath and over to the back, and then take a section of hair from your hairline and take that underneath and over to the back. From the back section, take a section of hair and take that underneath and over to the front. And then take a section of hair from your part and take that underneath and over to the front. Keep it as tight as you can, otherwise the fishtail braid can end up looking like a normal braid. And when you've added in all your hair, you'll just do a regular fishtail braid. If you're having trouble with your fishtail braid, keeping it tight, you can always start tying an elastic band with the first section of hair. Then you can just cut out the elastic band when you're finished. I did that when I first started and it really helped to keep it tight. And there you have it, a Dutch fishtail braid. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked it.